Affected areas are a powerful tool offered by CriticalAsset. They can show you what lights, receptacles, or equipment is on a specific circuit for a specific electrical panel. When changes are made, it is important to update the affected areas. To delete an affected area, begin with the plan that you will be making changes to. Here, we have a lighting plan. Click the electrical panel that needs changes. You will see the old affected areas light up. We can see that the lights in the ultrasound room used to be on circuit number 11 for NL21, but they are no longer on this circuit. To delete, press the trash icon on the right side of the screen. Then, click on the affected area that you need to delete. To save your changes, click the save that popped up next to the trash icon, and then press Save Changes again, the yellow button in the middle of the screen. The lights in the ultrasound room are no longer labeled for circuit number 11 on panel NL21. For more information on affected areas, please see the Affected Areas in 1 Minute video in the CriticalAsset Help Center.